earned income tax credit. What you need to know right now if you are planning to claim the EITC credit. Welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. Let's go ahead and get started. If you have children or other dependents and qualify to claim them on your 2023 taxes, there are a few things that you need to know before filing your federal tax return. Items that require action right now. Get a social security number or a taxpayer identification number for all qualifying dependents. If your qualifying child does not have a valid social security number and it needs to be valid for employment in order to claim the EITC credit. If you have a newborn, make sure to apply for the social security number at the Social Security office. You can also apply online. Filing statuses to claim the EITC credit: married filing jointly, head of household, qualifying survivor spouse, single, married filing separate. You can claim the EITC credit if you are married, not filing a joint return, had a qualifying child who lived with you for more than half of the year of 2023, and either of the following apply. You lived apart from your spouse for the last 6 months of 2023, or you are legally separated according to your state law under a written separation agreement or decree of separate maintenance, and you did not live in the same household as your spouse at the end of 2023. Head of household. You may claim the head of household filing status if you are not married and pay for more than half of the cost of keeping up your home where you live with your qualifying child. Qualifying survivor spouse. To file as a qualifying widow or widower, all of the following must apply. You could have filed a joint return with your spouse for the tax year they died. It does not matter if you filed a joint return. Your spouse died less than 2 years before the tax year you are claiming the EITC credit, and you did not remarry before the end of that year. You paid more than half the cost of keeping up a home for the year. You have a child or stepchild you can claim as a relative. This does not include a foster child. This child lived in your home all year except for temporary absences. Note there are exceptions for a child who was born or died during the year, and for a kidnapped child. And for more information on those specific circumstances, go to irs.gov, type in the search qualifying child rules. To claim the EITC without a qualifying child, you must meet all of the basic qualifying rules. Have your main home in the United States for more than half of the year. The United States includes the 50 states, the District of Columbia, and U.S. military bases. It does not include U.S. possessions such as Guam, the Virgin Islands, or Puerto Rico, and not be claimed as a qualifying child on anyone else's tax return, and be at least age 25 but under age 65. At least one spouse must meet the age rule. Income standard to claim the EITC credit: no children, $17,640 if you're filing as single, head of household, or widow. If you're filing as married, filing jointly, the income standard with no children is $24,210. One child filing as single, head of household, or widow is $46,560. Filing as married jointly is $53,120. 2 children filing single, head of household, or widow is $52,918. filing as married, filing jointly is $59,478, and 3 children filing single head of household is $56,838. Filing married, filing jointly is $63,398. Your investment income must be $11,000 or less, and the maximum credits that you are eligible for: no qualifying children is $600, one qualifying child is $3,995, and 2 qualifying children is $6,604. 3 or more qualifying children is $7,430. Remember, the IRS cannot issue refunds for people claiming the EITC credit, the Earned Income Tax Credit, before mid-February. And the IRS expects that anyone who claimed the EITC credit, you should get your tax refund direct deposited into your bank account by February 27, 2024, if there are no other issues with your taxes. That is the key word. There are no other issues with your taxes. You should get your money in your bank account by February 27, 2024. Make sure to share with us any comments, ask any questions, and of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more IRS breaking news updates for the 2024 tax filing season. Bye-bye.